Yeah.
What was that?
That was just the noise that it's going to record. Okay. So, let's go ahead and let's look at this quotient with zeros, okay? So,
Can I move this chair over there?
oh, not right now. Okay. So, or is it so you can see better?
Yeah.
Then you can move. Okay. Maya is saving to buy a television. The television costs $327. She plans to save money for 3 months. How much does Maya need to save each month to buy the television? So basically, we are doing 327 divided by 3. Yes?
Yes.
Those are our two numbers, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay? I want you to go ahead and cross off that estimate. Okay, we're not going to do that part. We are just going to focus on the math. Okay? Alright. So reminder, with our 327 divided by 3, okay? We're still focused on, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Yes? Okay? So we're dividing, multiplying, subtracting, checking, and bringing down. Right? Just like we have been, okay? Nothing different yet. So, can 3 go into 3? Okay? How many times?
0.
1 time, right? Because 3 times 1 would give me what? 3. Okay? So, reminder, whatever I do on the top is what I'm taking times, yes? Okay, so 3 times 1 is going to give me 3, which is what I'm going to minus. So what is 3 minus 3? 0. And then I brought down my 2, yes? What letter am I skipping for the first few parts?
M.
Not quite. Remember, that's multiply.
C.
C. I'm not checking until the very end, right? So I'm skipping C for just a little bit, okay? So I divided my 3 by my 3. I multiplied my 3 by my 1 to get 3. I subtracted my 3 from my 3, okay? So now I'm on the bring down part, right? What number did I bring down?
2.
2. So now, can 3 go into 2?
No.
No. Remember yesterday when we had this problem at the beginning of our thing?
Yes.
Okay? Today, it's just going to be in the middle of our problems. Okay? So what do you think I'm going to put here since I can't put 3 into 2? 0. Okay? So anytime I have a number that I just cannot go into, I'm going to have that 0. Okay?
No.
So what is 3 times 0?
0.
0. So what am I going to minus?
0.
0. Which, what is 2 minus 0?
0.
No?
1.
2. There you go. Remember, it's just that number, right? It's not 2 times, it's 2 minus 0. Okay, so I'm back to my S, because I subtracted, right? So now what am I on? B, my bring down, right? What number did I bring down next to that 2? 7. So now I have 3 going into 27. Yes? Okay, does anybody know how many times 3 can go into 27 or as close as it can get?
9.
What is 3 times 9? 27. Beautiful. So remember, I took 3 times 9, which would give me 27. Sorry that it's hard to see. There we go. So do I have a remainder?
No.
No. So 327 divided by 3 would give me 109. Perfect. 109. Okay? So since that equals 109, she would need to save $109 each month, right? All we did there was we added our label onto it. Okay? So we're not going to compare this to the estimate, but instead we're just going to do our final step, which is what? Check. So I'm just going to write check over here. And I'm going to do 109 times 3. Okay? Can anybody remind me, what is 9 times 3?
8.
27. So my 7 goes on the bottom, 2 up top. What is 3 times 0? 0 plus 2? What is 3 times 1?
3.
Does this number match what I had in here?
No.
So am I correct?
Yes.
Good so far? Did we really add much to what we've already been doing? No. Not really. We just added zeros now in the middle instead of at the beginning, right? So let's go ahead and go on to the next page. This is where I'm always worried my thing's going to fall. Because it's dramatic. Okay. That's not going to stop. I can just feel it now. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry. Thank you for the patience. Okay. So now we have 5,231 divided by 4. Yeah? Okay. Same thing. We're just starting like normal. Okay? How many times can 4 go into 5? Once. No, you're right. Once. If it was switched around, you'd be right. So we've got 1 time. What is 4 times 1?
4.
4. So that's what I'm going to minus, right? Which is equal to 1, yes. So now we have 12, right? Beautiful. How many times can 4 go into 12?
3.
3, right? Because we have 4, 8, 12. Yep. So 3. So I'm going to minus that 12 because 4 times 3 would give me 12, right?
Yes.
I would end up with?
0.
Okay. Now I brought down my 3. Can 4 go into 3?
No.
Okay, what do I need to put on top then?
0.
Beautiful. What is 4 times 0?
0.
0. So I'm just going to minus that 0. So 3 minus 0 would give me?
3. Which will be 31.
Beautiful. Does anybody know how many times 4 can go into 31 without going over? Oh, really?
7.
Really? Oh my goodness. Why? Okay. It's all right. We'll fix it. Give me a second. Oh, I can't even pause it right now. Oh my goodness. Okay.
7 times?
Technical difficulties. Sorry.
I'm guessing 7 times.
Okay.
I didn't even go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Sorry. All right. What is 3? Because I heard 7 thrown around quite a bit. So what is 3 times 7? 3 times 7? Oh, I'm sorry. It's 4. You guys are right. My bad. 4 times 7 is 28, right? Okay. So we're going to put a 4 up top, which you'll see when my monitor turns back on. Okay. And we're going to minus that 28, right? Okay. If you need to, okay, an easy way I like to do this, instead of subtracting, is just go from 28 to 31 to see how many I'm missing. Does that make sense? So I can go 28, 29, 30, 31. So how many am I going to have?
3.
3. Yep. So I'm going to have 3 left over, which means that is my remainder. So my answer is 1,304, remainder 3.
What?
You are right. I wrote the wrong number. Thank you.
But what's the top number? The one by the 0.
The one by which one by the 0? Hang on, sorry. So it should look like this: 1,307, remainder 3.
Is that a 4?
Thank you for being patient.
Is that a 4? Is that a 7 on the top?
Yes, I wrote 4 on accident.
Same here.
I'm sorry. That's probably my fault. I'm very sorry.
Same.
That should be a 7. 7, 7. All right. So, what am I missing? What do I need to do?
Check.
Check. So let's go ahead and let's do that off to the side.
Can we write that?
Yes. 7 times 4. Who can remind me what that is?
28.
28. My 8 goes on bottom. 2 goes on top. What's 4 times 0?
0.
Plus 2.
2.
What's 4 times 3?
12.
4 times 1.
4.
Plus 1.
5.
Okay, why doesn't that match?
Well, you need to add the remainder.
I need to add my remainder. And I add it, right? I don't multiply it, I don't subtract it, I add it, right? Okay, so I'm going to add 3. Does that give me what I had in this box?
Yes.
Beautiful. Easy peasy?
Yes.
Is it much different than what we've been doing?
No.
No. Really has not been. Or really is not, is it? Okay. I know this one is written like this. However, I would like you, on the side here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this in the box form, with the box method. Coolio? Okay. So I want everybody to, wherever you have space, which I'm going to go here, next to the girl looking like she's kind of yelling. Okay? And I'm going to draw my box. So we're doing the same problem we have over here. We're just going to, oh my goodness, change it to the box. This is not the day, man. Not the day. Okay. Alright, so, I don't even know. Okay. First of all, what number is on the outside of my box? 4. So that number should be on the outside of your box. What number? 4. And it should be on the outside kind of like this. What's up, Coben? Yeah, I will do that. I just need to pause my recording so that it's not, well, I can just leave it going. It's fine. Okay, so, what numbers do I have inside of my box?
842.
Okay, how many numbers is that?
3.
So I'm going to break this up into 3, yes?
Alright.
What should be my first box? What number?
8.
Second.
4. 2.
Third. Beautiful. Okay, so now we're just focused on one box at a time, yes? So how many times can 4 go into 8? 2. So that's what's going to go on top. So I have 4 times 2, which would give me what, everybody? 8. So that's what I'm going to minus, which would be 0. Do I have to pull this 0 over?
No.
No, I can just leave it, right? Because I know that then this would still just be 4. So it doesn't go behind it. So, all right, how many times can 4 go into 4?
1.
4 times 1 gives me 4, right?
Yes.
So I'm ending up with 0 again. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Can 4 go into 2?
No.
No. So what do I need to put here?
A 0.
So now, what is 4 times 0?
4 times 0. 0.
What is 2 minus 0?
2.
Do I have anywhere to pull this 2 over to?
No.
No. So what is my answer?
21 remainder 2.
Beautiful. 210, remainder 2. That's it. Alright. Show me on your shoulders. How are you feeling about this? 1, 2, 3, or 4. 1 is don't get it. 2 is getting there. 3 is I've got it. And 4 is I can teach it. Remember, I won't make you teach it.
I'm feeling number 3.
Number 3, perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm seeing lots of like 2s, 3s. Okay, couple of 1s, which is fine. Awesome. Couple 4s even. Sweet. 5%? Okay, perfect. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. Turn to your next page, please.
The homework page?
Yep, please turn to the homework page. It should be 219. And I'm going to tell you which ones to circle. Are you ready? Circle number 1, number 2, number 3, turn to your backside, and number 7. So 1, 2, 3, and 7.
Oh no. Let's drink into your cake. You actually done your cake right here.
Oh, here, I can help you.
I don't know if you tried to tear it out. It probably was. You made it look like it was.
It's all right. It's all right.
Now I can finally
Right, I'm just going to finish this up real quick. Well, actually, I'll pull this over here so that my notes are going to be messy. My notes. Where did it go? There it is. Working with two screens is hard sometimes. Okay.
I can see you writing this out and looking at you writing.
Yeah?
I can see you on your computer instead of looking at you right now.
Nice. Okay.
Can we do it now?
Yeah, you can go ahead and start. I'd like you